It's been 3 months since I installed mini braids on my natural hair to grow it long, healthy, and strong. In today's video, I have conditioned my hair, I've detangled it, I've shown you how to use flaxseed to detangle it, and now I'm going to be stretching my natural hair with rollers so you can actually see my hair length. And even I was surprised at what my hair looked like. Let's get into today's video. Welcome or welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel, checking out my content. Just look at my gorgeous hair. It's really growing. It's really thickening, and I'm so excited at this stage of my natural hair journey because my hair is finally looking like what I wanted to look like. For the last 2.5 years, I've started this YouTube channel with very, very damaged hair, and this is where I am today. I'm so happy with all the growth. I'm showing you how to do it here on Simply Shev. Very, very easy, simple method of growing your natural hair. You're seeing my hair growing. I hope it's inspiring you to also grow your natural my hair. Was in mini braids for 3 months. I showed you week by week in that playlist how I grew my natural hair. So the very first thing you want to do is, if you just stumble on my channel, check out that playlist. Check out all the playlists before to see where my hair was and how I got hair. My natural hair has been a journey. I'm going to be doing a brand new natural hair journey video because I think the time is just right with my hair looking so long and so healthy. For you to know that it doesn't matter if you've never had long hair before, you really can grow your natural hair, and I'm getting fantastic results here on my channel. Let's just take a moment to talk about some of the changes in my hair in the last 3 months or so. My hair looks a lot darker. It looks a lot thicker, and it's grown in the last challenge. I think one of the reasons why is my weekly wash days. I never used to wash my hair every week, and I started to wash my hair every week and also condition my hair every week. And so that's the reason for those 3 big changes, I think, in my hair. Okay, so now we're going to go into stretching my natural hair, and this is always exciting for me because my hair is really low to medium density, especially when it's in mini braids. It looks very thin to me, and it looks a lot shorter, right? So when I take it out of mini braids, I actually get to see what my hair looks like. Only use roller sets now to stretch my hair. Before, I was using my feet iron. I might go back to that. It's kind of broken at the moment, so I'm sticking to, I've got like 3 different sets of magnetic or heated rollers, so I'm not going to push any one of them. You could just search in Google, and any one that comes up, that's the one I use. I've got one in my Amazon store as well if you want to check that out. But heated rollers has been fantastic on my natural hair. It doesn't give me any heat damage or any breakage, so I stick to that, and my hair is stretched in about half an hour. Wow, I'm so amazed at the thickness of my hair. I'm fighting to get these rollers in all of this growth and thickness. And the wonderful thing is this comes in 3 different sizes, so I can actually use the bigger ones. I've been using the bigger ones from each of the packs for my hair because the smaller ones are just not really cutting it anymore. Once again, you can hear the excitement in my voice. My natural hair is looking so good. After really putting a lot of time and effort in my hair, I'm really seeing the results. So I go ahead and I just grab sections of my hair. I'm really a ad hoc person. I'm not very neat. I just like things done. And so when I'm doing my hair, I kind of have the same approach. Sometimes for my mini braids, I just grab and plait. So for my rollers, my hair is stretched out somewhat because I normally plait my hair in 3 times. I've also got that on the shorts if you want to see how I stretch my natural hair to this stage. So I plait it and then I plait it again, and I get really a good enough stretch. I get a nice braid out look as what's there, and then I'm able to apply these. And you saw that I detangled it in my detangling video with flaxseed. Check that out to see how I detangled that to not get a lot of breakage. So yeah, I'm just grabbing sections of my hair to put these rollers in. And my hair, as I said, I love playing in my hair at this stage. It's really growing, and I'm really amazed because when it was in mini braids, say for the last 5 weeks of it, just looked short, frizzy, and I just thought, should I just keep going? But the growth and the changes is when I take my hair down, and when I get to see it at this stage, I'm just really, really amazed. And as I said, my next video will be my length check video. I think you'll be so excited to see how long my hair is, and I'm really excited as well. After growing my hair in mini braids for over a year, it's been a year now, I've got about 4 or 5 playlists showing you how I did that, also with mini twists as well. So check them all out. Quite transparent channel I've got here. I show you everything I do. I use virgin hair fertilizer. I'm going to be doing some brand new virgin hair fertilizer videos. I know I have not been doing too many. That's because I've been trying some of my own products on my hair. They're working as well, lots of Aveda, but I am still using virgin hair fertilizer in the background, so I want to also show you that. So yeah, some of the benefits I get from roller setting my natural hair after protective style, I get to see how long my hair is. I get to see the length of my hair. And that's really a motivating factor. My hair, I really want it to be healthy rather than long. I know that it will become long because it's healthy. So my first goal is health. But when I see the length of my hair, I'm really, really motivated to see all the practices that I'm doing that's working. It is also a style all by itself. So when I roller set my hair really does take to the roller set, and I'm able to just put a headband on and just separate those curls and wear them out. Even on type 4 natural hair with not a lot of product, you can get a really good curling style with these rollers. Also, it's very, very cheap in comparison to really expensive flat irons. So I stick to this because it's cheap. You can get them on eBay or any store like that. You can get the older versions and they all work exactly the same. For me, it is also relatively quick. I grab sections of my hair and I put them in say about 10-15 minutes, and I leave them on for about an hour and my hair is ready to go. So it's really low maintenance way of actually just maintaining your hair stretch. It's also great to keep your natural hair stretched because you won't incur any tangles or any knots when your hair is stretched. So wearing your hair in a stretch form is a great way to retain length on your natural hair. But yeah, once I grab all those sections and I put my hair in, make sure your hair is quite dry. If your hair is wet, you won't get a very good roller set on it. So make sure that your hair is quite dry to be able to apply these in, and you will see a difference in the stretch of your hair. I would say be careful to read the instructions that comes with this. You don't want to overheat your rollers. You don't want to burn your hands when you're handling this rollers. So you got to check out what the manufacturers have said about this product to make sure that you're using it properly. You don't want to leave them on and go and do something else, because that will also damage the roller. So there's few things that you need to bear in mind when you're using heated rollers. But once again, very, very easy, simple, and no heat damage. And so that's the reason why I keep doing it. And this is by no means my first roller set video. Check out I might just make a roller set playlist, and because in each video I share different information on using roller sets to stretch your natural hair as opposed to other damaging practices. So I will do that. I don't blow dry my hair. I've never blow dried my hair, I think, in this natural hair journey. So after I cut my hair off after the mini braids, after the damage, I haven't used any blow dryers. I've just been using roller sets, or I have not used any flat irons. So in this natural hair journey, I've only been using roller sets, and I can see a difference in the damage. There's very minimum damage, and also in the thickness of my hair. So it is definitely working. Then go ahead with a scarf to cover my hair, leave that on for 20 minutes, and then the magic happens. I absolutely love roller sets. When I take my hair down, you will see my hair, the length of my hair. So excited to see that. So it's clear that my hair is really grown and it's looking really long and stretched out in these roller sets. So I should have mentioned also how we secure this hair. So there's many different styles of roller set. This one comes with some pins. It also comes with some clips, but I've used the pins for this, and I can see that they held up very well. I was able to wear the scarf, so it's up to you which ones you use. If you're not going to be covering with the scarf, you can go ahead and use the clips, but the pins are great for covering with a scarf. So that is it for today's video. I wanted to show you how I stretch my natural hair when it's been out of protective style after 3 months, showing you a really easy, simple way with no heat damage